Assalamu alaikum. My name is Osama Mannan and my part of presentation is layer of epidermis. There are 5 layers of epidermis include stratum basal, the deepest portion of the epidermis, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum and the last stratum corneum, the most superficial portion of the epidermis. Number 1. Stratum basal, also called the stratum germinatum. Deepest epidermal layer attaches the epidermis to the basal lamina. Dermal papillae found in the superficial portion of the dermis increase the strength of the connection between the dermis and epidermis. The stratum basal is a single layer of cells primarily made of basal cells. All of the keratinocytes are produced from this single layer of cells, constantly going through mitosis to produce new cells. As new cells are formed, the existing cells are pushed superficially away from the stratum basal. There are two types of other cells found in stratum basal. Number 1, Merkel cells, which function as a receptor and responsible for stimulating sensory nerves that the brain perceives as touch. And number 2, melanocytes. Melanin gives hairs and skin its color and also helps protect the DNA in the nuclei of living cells of the epidermis from ultraviolet radiation damage. Number 2, stratum spinosum. The stratum spinosum is spiny in appearance due to the producing cell process that join the cells via a structure called desmosome. The desmosomes interlock with each other and strengthen the bond between the cells. The stratum spinosum is composed of 8 to 10 layers of keratinocytes formed as a result of cell division in the stratum basal. Interspread among the keratinocytes of this layer is a type of dendritic cell called the Langerhans cells, which function as a macrophage by engulfing bacteria, foreign particles and damaged cells that occur in this layer. A new keratinocytes are produced atop the stratum basal. The keratinocytes of the stratum spinosum are pushed into the stratum granulosum. Number 3, stratum granulosum. The stratum granulosum has grainy appearance due to the further changes to the keratinocytes as they are pushed from the stratum spinosum. The cells 3 to 5 layers deep become flatter. Their cells membrane thicken and generate large amount of the protein keratin, which fibers are keratophyllin. These two proteins make up the bulk of the keratinocytes mass in the stratum granulosum and gives the layer its grainy appearance. The nuclei and other cell organelles disintegrate as the cell dies, leaving behind the keratin, keratophyllin and cell membranes that will form the stratum lucidum and the stratum corneum. A similar process of producing cells packed with keratin occurs in the accessory structures of hairs and nails. Number 4, stratum lucidum. The stratum lucidum is a smooth, seemingly translucent layer of the epidermis. This thin layer of cell is found only in the thick skin of palms, soles and digits. The keratinocytes that compose the stratum lucidum are dead and flattened. These cells are densely packed with ellaidin, a clear protein in rich lipids derived from keratophyllin, which gives these cells their transparent appearance and provides a barrier to water. Number 5, stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the most superficial layer of the epidermis and is the layer exposed to the outside environment. There are usually 15 to 30 layers of cells in the stratum corneum. This dry dead layer helps prevent the penetration of microbes and the dehydration of underlying tissues, provides a mechanical protection against abrasion for the more delicate underlying layers. Cells in this layer are shed periodically and are replaced by cells pushed up from the stratum granulosum or stratum lucidum in the case of palms and soles of feet. The cells in this layer can still be anchored to each other by demosomes, which is why the peeling that occurs with the sunburn peels the damaged epidermal layer is one sheet. The entire layer is replaced during a period of about. As we can see in arrangement of layers, at the top there is stratum corneum, dead cells filled with keratin, no nucleus, no organelles. At second, stratum lucidum, 3 to 5 layers of latent eosinophilic cells. Nucleus is absent and thick skin present on the palms and soles. Number third, stratum granulosum, contain keratohyalin granules, contain lamellar bodies, contain keratin intermediate filament. Second last, stratum spinosum, contain numerous demosomes and keratinocytes. And the last and the inner layer of the skin is stratum basal, which is mitotically active, attached to BM wired hemidesmosomes, contain keratin intermediate filament and attached to the other cells with desmosomes. And we can see there is Merkel cells and melanocytes which gives color, and the last, the layer of skin, position of epidermis, dermis and subcutaneous tissue. Thank you.